Between Two Lives. My name is Fatima. I am 16 years old. I live in Birmingham with my family. We came from Italy 4 years ago. Life here is very different from home. In Italy, I went to school every day. I had many friends. I spoke Italian. I felt safe and happy. But then the war came. We had to leave. We lost our house. My father said, we must find a better life. So we came to England. In the beginning, everything was hard. The weather was cold. The food tasted strange. I missed my grandmother and my cousins. I cried at night. The hardest thing was English. At school, I did not understand the teacher. I could not talk to the other students. They were kind, but I was too shy. I felt small. I wanted to go home. My mother stayed home and cooked. My father found work in a factory. He comes home very tired. My little brother goes to primary school. He is learning English fast. Sometimes he teaches me new words. I wanted to help my family, so I studied hard. I used English books from the library. I watched children's cartoons to learn words. I spoke slowly, but I kept trying. One day, I asked a girl in my class, "Can I sit here?" She smiled and said, "Of course." That was the start of my first friendship in England. Now, I speak better. I still make mistakes, but I am not afraid. My teacher says I am doing well. She tells me, "Fatima, you can go to college one day." I want to be a nurse. That is my dream. I want to help people, like the nurses helped my grandmother before she died. It is not easy. I must learn science, and I must learn more English. But I am working hard. At home, I still speak Italian with my family. My mother does not speak English. She feels alone sometimes. I try to help her at the doctor, at the shop, on the bus. Sometimes I feel like I live two lives. One life at home and one life outside. But I am learning to live both. I know life is not perfect. We do not have much money. My parents worry a lot. But we have each other.